Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll try to show you how can we make a transformerless power supply. So, as I told, power supply, transformerless power supply. So we don't need a transformer to step down the AC volt. So for that, I have used a dropper capacitor here, that is 150 NF and 250 volt. You can use it 400 volt. And see here, this is a capacitor, sorry, this is a resistor. This is actually a bleeder resistor, very high resistance, very big value for this resistance, that is 1 mega ohm resistance. And as AC volt, we have given here 220 volt, and this is a fusing resistor. This is optional, you can use it for safety purpose, and if you don't use it, it will not affect on your output. And as this will not give you high current, but you can get it 12 volt from this diagram. So let's simulate this. Let's play this. And as I told, our source AC volt was 220 volt, and after the dropper capacitor we are getting around 92 volt. So this is working like a step down transformer, and this is our bridge rectifier, and from the rectifier we are getting DC volt. The voltage is fluctuating. If we use a polar capacitor here, then this fluctuation will not appear. So this simple way we can use a transformerless power supply. You see, this is a circuit board for automatic AC light on off, and here I have used the transformerless power supply. I have demonstrated in a simulation. So you see, this is working. This was all in my short video. I hope you like my video. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.